Imagine if you could make your own food just by standing in the sunlight. Plants do this very thing every day. This incredible power is called photosynthesis. But what's really going on inside those green leaves? Long ago, people wondered, how do plants keep growing even though they don't eat dinner or snacks like people and animals do? For centuries, it was a big mystery. Then, scientists like John Ingenhousz and Joseph Priestley made experiments in the 1700s and 1800s. They discovered that plants need sunlight to grow, and that something special happens when plants are in the light. So what is photosynthesis really? Let's peek into a leaf, where the real magic happens. Inside every green leaf are tiny food factories called chloroplasts. These factories use a special green color called chlorophyll. Think of it as nature's superhero cape, helping plants catch sunlight. Here's the recipe for photosynthesis. First, plants use their roots to drink up water from the soil. Next, they open tiny doors on their leaves, called stomata, to let in air. This air has a very important gas called carbon dioxide. Now comes the sunlight. When sunshine touches the leaf, chlorophyll grabs its energy. The plant mixes sunlight's energy, water, and carbon dioxide together, a bit like stirring ingredients in a magic pot. With all these ingredients, the plant makes food, sugar. That's right. Plants use the energy from the sun to turn water and carbon dioxide into sweet sugars. They use these sugars to grow tall, sprout leaves, and even make seeds and flowers. There's a bonus, too. While making food, the plant also releases a gas called oxygen into the air. That's the very same oxygen people and animals need to breathe. So, every time you take a deep breath, give a little thank you to the green plants around you. To remember, photosynthesis is the neat trick plants use to make their own food using sunshine, water, and air. It's why forests are green and why our planet is full of life. Next time you're outside on a sunny day, take a closer look at a leafy tree or a blade of grass, and imagine the tiny food factories inside, hard at work making food and air for us all.